Hello guys, my name is eXtremehightech and today I'm going to tell you how to flash a ROM on the HTC Desire 500. You might need some extra knowledge to fully understand this video, so I would recommend you to watch the What Does S On Mean video. And you will also need to have root access, so I would recommend you to watch the HTC Desire 500 root tutorial video too. So let's begin. So first I want to answer a quick question. So what is a ROM? A ROM is something like a custom operation system. It's basically a modified version of Android and can have much features, like if you take a look at the Cyanogen mod ROMs. These are very advanced ROMs and they bring a lot of features with them. But here for the HTC Desire 500 there's currently just one custom ROM called the James ROM. I'm not gonna flash that because I haven't already tried out that. But instead I'm gonna flash the so-called stock ROM. The stock ROM is the thing that you will get shipped with your phone. So that's basically just the stock ROM. So you will get just almost like a brand new phone. What you have to mind here is that if you flash the stock ROM, your recovery and your boot animation and everything will be lost. So you have to flash the recovery again if you want to flash flashable zips and everything, but that's no problem. That's just one command in the CMD. So you download your custom ROM, like here I've got Mega. This is the service that came just after Mega upload, and you download your ROM here, and then you simply take your phone, connect it to your PC. Alright, should load quickly. Come on, phone, yeah. And then you simply copy the ROM you just downloaded onto your SD card. So what I've got here is the backup Desire 500 ODEX stock ROM. It's about 649 megabytes. So it's quite big. And then you copy it to your SD card and you will need to do the rest on the phone. Alright, so as you can see here, I've got my phone here, everything modified. Nothing stock, so like I've got here the quick settings thing and some root app, that is the battery up there, and some other cool stuff like LMT, these touch gestures which enable and disable my mobile data, my Wi-Fi and stuff. So everything here in this phone is modified. So now let's go and flash the stock ROM. Of course my boot menu is modified too, because modified boot menus are awesome. Okay, recovery, your phone will reboot in a recovery. Alright, so let's wait for the recovery to start. And then we're just gonna simply flash the stock ROM. That means that we're gonna put everything to stock back again. So, for example, if you want to sell your phone or something like that, then the customer won't get all the stupid stuff you installed. He will just get the stock ROM. But of course the bootloader will stay unlocked. Alright, now here we have the CWM recovery. I noticed that there's a TWRP, I think this is called Team Win Recovery Project or something like that, available, but I prefer Clockwork mod. I already had it on another phone and I like, so no, it was a tablet, but not my tablet. Okay, never mind, not important. But I prefer Clockwork mod myself, so maybe I'm gonna do a video on how to flash the TWRP recovery, but it's nothing different than flashing the Clockwork mod recovery like we did with fastboot flash recovery, recovery.img, just instead the recovery.img is another file, so never mind. Alright, so now you need to hit, is that good? Let's focus here. Install zip, choose zip from SD card. And now you need to choose the backup Desire 500 ODEX stock ROM. Alright, now you hit the power button again. So now you hit yes, it's pretty easy. And now this will flash around. It might seem a little weird. And I'm just gonna speed that video up a little bit. Alright, so that's done. You can see all the things here like formatting user data, formatting cache, stuff like that. You don't need to care about this, just hit reboot system now. Now what's very important, very important, it will say root access possibly lost, fix. Do not hit yes here. I had some people on my HTC Desire 500 root video who somehow got their phone bricked. I mean, they were able to fix it, but just do not risk it. Do not. I would highly recommend you to not do this. So hit go back and do not, under all circumstances, do not hit yes, alright? Just hit go back and you're fine. And the phone will reboot quickly, and I'm just gonna speed this up too, because, you know, speeding up is cooler than cutting. Alright, so my phone just booted up, and I'm just gonna quickly enter the pin code, and you are not gonna be able to see that, so I'm just gonna quickly cut here. As you can see here, my phone is preparing to get itself started for the first time, so yeah, that's just the thing the phone is doing. And now let's quickly go through this process and speed this up again. Alright, so what I've got here is a fully set up phone, nothing on it, completely virgin, just, yeah, nothing on it. You can see I don't have the flashlight app or anything, it's just, you can get it from the zip archive and install it from there. Just a completely virgin phone. Or is there the, yeah, the flashlight application is actually there. That's somewhat cool. Alright, so here I've got my phone. It's completely, it looks like brand new, but it isn't. And the recovery is also gone, so it's, with the bootloader being unlocked, it's not completely like new, but you can see it like this, and an unexperienced user will think that it's new. Of course, don't use this to tell people that you sell them a new phone or something like that. That would be a fraud. But yeah, you can see I've just did a complete factory reset. I've uninstalled all the root apps and the super user root app. Of course, this phone's not rooted anymore. It's completely unrooted. Yeah, so this is basically how to flash a ROM. And that's what I just did. You can do it with the custom ROMs like this too. And yeah, that's about it. It's not very hard to accomplish. It's actually quite easy, but it takes a lot of time sometimes. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you want some more topics. I'm currently working on a boot animation packer, which allows you guys to pack your own boot animations. This is gonna be a Windows program, and I want it to be good, so I'm programming on it a little bit. And I'm also working on a flashable zip creator currently, but yeah, I don't have that much time to make that many videos, so please be patient, okay? Well, yeah, I haven't got my quick settings, so I'm just gonna restore right now because I want my old phone back. Alright, thank you for watching, and please tell your friends about this video and share it around the world so that people can see how to do it. Thank you very much.